Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys how to clear cache app data on iqoo phone. Friends, you want to clear cache guys any app data on your iqoo phone. So friends, how to clear cache today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So friends, first of all guys, what will you have to do to clear cache guys your app data? So by how to clear cache guys any app data on iqoo phone. First of all guys, I will show you guys one by one, step by step. So I first open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your app setting, and guys you can check guys your all app list here. So by which app data guys you want to clear cache. Example guys, your camera guys you want to clear cache. Friends, click on storage and cache. Friends, you can see clear cache, you want to clear cache, so you can clear cache from here. And you want to clear storage, so guys you can clear storage from here. So like that guys, same setting guys, which app guys you want to clear cache guys, select app. Friends, you have guys to clear cache, so guys tap here to clear cache, and guys you want to clear storage, so you can clear storage guys. And guys, when you will use guys this app guys, you will have to give ss, or guys you will have to give permission. So like that guys, we can clear cache. And guys, if I talk about guys shortly setting, suppose guys I have got this plate, and I will press here, and once you want to install your app, so you can install app info guys, tap here. Direct once you want to install first of clear cache setting, tap here. Once you don't have clear cache, you have clear storage, so you can clear storage. So like that guys, we can clear cache and clear storage on iqoo phone any app data. So I press on app information, you have guys your clear cache. So I tap on clear cache, you can clear cache from here, and the left side will clear storage guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope you understood how to clear cache any app data from phone setting guys, I told you. And shortly setting is press on app information and clear cache. Sorry guys, clear cache. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.